Writing introduction of a research. The following are part of the introduction to a research. Opening hook, background information, research problem or gap, purpose and significance of the study, research objectives, and research questions. Opening hook. The opening hook in the research paper is the first impression a reader will have of your study. A researcher must use an interesting fact, a surprising statistic, a question, or a brief anecdote related to the research topic. A straightforward and brief hook is much more likely to catch attention than a rambling opener. For example, on a topic that says the underlying cause of water contamination and sustainable solution to ensure safe drinking water for all, an opening hook will go as follows. Imagine a world where every drop of rain threatens human health. Background information. In an introduction of a research, background information provides context to the research by highlighting what is already known about the topic, existing gaps in knowledge, and the importance of the research problem. It helps the reader understand why the study is relevant and necessary. The following is an example of a background information, and it reads as follows. Waterborne diseases are a major public health concern, particularly in developing countries. According to the World Health Organization, over 2 billion people worldwide lack access to safe drinking water, leading to millions of deaths each year. Previous studies have identified key contaminants such as bacteria, viruses, and chemical pollutants that contribute to waterborne illnesses. Despite various efforts to address these issues, challenges remain in ensuring consistent access to clean water. This study aims to explore innovative solutions for water purification and assess their effectiveness in real-world settings. Research problem or gap. In an introduction of a research, it is the specific issue or area that the study aims to address. Identifying the gap in the existing knowledge highlights the need for the research and set the foundation for your investigation. The following is an example of a research problem or gap, and it reads as follows. While numerous studies have focused on water purification methods, there is limited research on the long-term effectiveness of these methods in real-world settings, particularly in rural areas of developing countries. This gap in the literature highlights the need for further investigation into sustainable and effective water purification solutions that can be easily implemented in these regions. This study seeks to fill this gap by evaluating the performance of innovative water purification technologies in rural communities over an extended period. Purpose or significance of the study. This section highlights why your research is important and what impact it could have. It explains how your study contributes to the existing body of knowledge and what potential benefits it offers. The following is the example of a purpose or significance of the study, and it reads as follows. The purpose of this study is to evaluate the long-term effectiveness of innovative water purification technologies in rural communities of developing countries. By assessing the performance of these technologies over an extended period, this research aims to provide valuable insights into sustainable solutions for ensuring access to clean drinking water. The findings of this study could inform policy decisions, guide future research, and contribute to improving public health outcomes in regions where waterborne diseases are prevalent. Research objectives and questions. This section guides the study by outlining what is aimed to be achieved and the specific questions you seek to answer. It provides a clear direction for your research. The following are 3 examples of the research objectives. Example 1. To evaluate the long-term effectiveness of innovative water purification technologies in rural communities of developing countries. Example number 2. To identify the key factors influencing the performance of these technologies in real-world settings. And lastly, example number 3, to assess the impact of these technologies on public health outcomes, particularly in reducing waterborne diseases. Continuation of research objectives and questions. The following are the 3 examples of the research questions. Example 1. How effective are the innovative water purification technologies in providing clean drinking water over an extended period in rural communities? Example number 2. What are the key factors influencing the performance of these technologies in different environmental and socio-economic settings? And lastly, example number 3. What is the impact of these technologies on public health outcomes, especially in terms of reducing the incidence of waterborne diseases?